Ready for a smoother, lightning-fast FiveM experience? Your Elgato Stream Deck is your secret weapon for instant basic commands. Ditch keyboard fumbles for one-tap power. This is a game changer. Is a Stream Deck essential? Maybe not. But its RP impact? Colossal. Instead of typing /me ties shoelaces and breaking immersion, make actions fluid with one tap. More RP, less typing. Good news, your list is short. You need an Elgato Stream Deck, any version, the free Stream Deck software, and FiveM. We're focusing on core commands like /me/do and basic emotes with one key plugin. Fire up the Stream Deck software. First, get the FX Commands FiveM plugin from Elgato's marketplace. Search FiveM, install FX Commands. Next, create a dedicated Stream Deck profile. Settings, Profiles, plus name it FiveM RP. Pro tip, add switch profile actions on your main and FiveM profiles to swap quickly. Time for your first command. /me using FX Commands. Drag FiveM command to a key. In on press, type me with a space or a full phrase like me smells a faint scent of gunpowder. FX Commands adds the /. Label it, pick an icon, and test it in FiveM. Mastered /me? Setting up /do is just as easy. Drag another FiveM command. In on press, type do, or a phrase like do raises an eyebrow. Label, icon, test. This works for any text command you use often. Emotes add personality. Most servers use /e emote name. Drag FiveM command to a key. In on press, type the command like eSalute or eFacepalm. FX Commands adds the /. Title it, pick an icon. Pro tip, create a cancel emote button, usually /ec, an RP lifesaver. For actions like /showID, use the same FiveM command setup. A tidy Stream Deck is a fast one. Use clear labels and icons. Folders are game changers. Drag Create Folder to a key. Name it, e.g. RP emotes, and drag related buttons in. A back button appears automatically. Later, explore more complex multi-actions. But what you've built now will massively boost your reaction time and immersion. That's how to get FiveM commands on your Stream Deck. Fast and easy. If this helps, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell. What command are you programming first? Veterans, share your tips below. No more clumsy key fumbling. Own your RP. Your Stream Deck is your partner for seamless, rapid-fire FiveM. Program those commands, jump in server, and feel the difference. Thanks for tuning in.